I will play my video game. Almost to the end. This is a message from the emergency alert system. There's a tornado in Minnesota that might be coming to Michigan. Please stay in your homes. I was so close to winning the game, but no, that stupid emergency alert system made me lose. That's it, I'm going to kill whoever did this. Where are you, EAS Reporter? I am the EAS Reporter. How dare you interrupt it and make me lose my game? That's it, I'm going to kill you. No, don't kill me. That's for interrupting my game and make me lose. Evil me? How dare you kill the EAS Reporter? Why did you do that? Because that jerk interrupted my game and made me lose. But still, that was mean of you. You're grounded. WA.